All right, class, it's Coach Day, and we're going to go over the Bellwork for Friday. So after this one, I'll grade all three. If you turn them in individually, I'll still go through and grade them one at a time. So this one says, number 35, the amount of fertilizer in a landscaping company's warehouse decreases at a rate of 3% per week. The amount of fertilizer in a warehouse was originally 78,000 cubic yards. Which function models the amount of fertilizer in cubic yards after W weeks? So we have it decreasing, and we have a rate of 3%. So we can use our formula for exponential decay, which is y is equal to a times 1 minus the rate times time, right? Sorry, time is to the exponent. Now, this says after W weeks, so we're just replacing that with a W. 3%, we have to change it into a decimal. So 1, 2. And our original value was 78,000, so that is our A. So now we plug it in, y equals 78,000 times 1 minus the rate of 0.03 raised to the W power. Now, we see we can already knock out A and B. They're just written backwards. And we see the difference here is one is 0.97 and one is 1.03, but none of them say 1 minus 0.03. So let's go ahead and subtract these terms. 1 minus 0.03 is actually 0.97. So the only difference is you would have gotten 1.03 for D if you had added them. It is actually answer C. The last one says, what is the slope? We have a vertical line. We talked about this yesterday. Vertical lines have a specific slope. It is always undefined. The reason it is always undefined is because if you took 2 points on here to get the slope, like let's just take this one right here and this one that's up 2. It goes up 1, 2. So the rise is 2. It goes left and right 0. Anytime you try to divide by 0, you're going to get an error. There's no mathematical way to divide by 0. So you will always get a slope of undefined when you have a vertical line.